What's up? Today I'm going to be reacting to RPG Maker memes. Did you have to shake, buddy? Your little medallion just made lots of jingly sounds. And if you love RPG Maker tips, tricks, tutorials, and just general discussion about RPG Maker, then scroll down and hit subscribe and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. What's up? Today I'm going to be reacting to some RPG Maker memes. Bit of a different video format, but let's see how we do. Bless you. Do you want to say hello to the camera? Yeah, God, you're getting fat. Hello. Say hello. Not keen? Look at the camera. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll let you down. Do you want to come back up? Do you? He liked the cuddles. Alright, RPG Maker memes. It's a girl. Help. None of the planes are stopping. My game has custom art and graphics. All the planes. There's nothing wrong with random encounters. Change my mind. Me. Making real progress. Shiny new plugin. That's so true. So many, I made a video about this of people just trying to add lots of different features into their game. I won't rest until I finish my game, and other hilarious jokes you can tell yourself. Oh. I bet he's thinking about other women. Him. I need to give my barbarian a couple more skills. Does he bite? No, but he can hurt you in other ways. You'll be lucky if... You'll be lucky if 20 people play your game. Was that Yoda or like Scooby-Doo? Yoda do. I know not, Shaggy, whether the ghost is here. I see a small apartment. I see you alone. And a lot of unfinished RPG Maker projects. Jesus, that's a lot of unfinished RPG Maker projects. The floor is games that only use RTP. Now look, RTP is not that bad. It's not the best. You can do better. But it's not the worst. Release as soon as possible, but only use RTP, or put release date back a year, but have custom graphics. Custom graphics, 100%. Delay it and have those custom graphics. Is this Unity? I think he's going to say his first words. I'm recruiting for my epic game. I just need a spriter, mapper, eventer, scripter, and I'll be the director. Baby and trash. But that's a lot of damage. Plus death. Just behind it. Plus death. Look at the character's name, Phil Swift. I bet he doesn't feel so swift now. Oh, it's the end of the meme page. There's no more memes. That's it. I challenge you. I am challenging you. All of my viewers. The ones who've been using RPG Maker for 3 weeks, and ones who've been using RPG Maker for 3 years, and ones who have been using RPG Maker for 3 decades. I challenge you to make the dankest memes. Now I do have a meme section on my Discord as well, but I just want you to make the dankest memes and post them anywhere you can regarding RPG Maker. Hope you guys enjoyed this format of video. It's a bit different to what I normally do. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, I'm not going to ask you. I'm going to demand you. I'm going to demand you scroll down and hit that red button with the subscribe logo on it. I'll see you guys in the next video.